Okay, so while you're writing your letter, you're going to keep it personal, right? But you're also going to do this. K-I-S-S. Keep it simple, sweetie. All right, so you're going to tell stories, you're going to use anecdotes, and you're going to just try to be natural. Don't try to impress your reader with, your knowledge of the English language. Nobody cares. Use words that the reader's going to easily understand. Don't take chances that you're going to lose your reader by using unfamiliar words. My basic rule for writing is keep your writing to a 5th grade or younger level. 5th grade or younger. Okay, so now I write a lot about nutrients, and some of those nutrients have like mile long names. So how do I overcome this whole long name, keeping it simple? Try this trick. I do this a lot when I'm writing about an unfamiliar product. Break it down in syllables. Here's an example. This is for a memory product that I was working on. I start my lead right there, hitting that long name, but watch how I do it. It says, "Dear friend, it's pronounced phosphatidylserine." Broke it down phonetically so they can pick it up right away. But if you're experiencing memory loss, age-related memory decline, fuzzy thinking, senior moments, mental confusion, or brain aging, you're going to call it a godsend. Why? Because phosphatidylserine, or PS for short, is nature's amazing brain saver. So you see what I did there? Took a big old long name, broke it down into syllables so the reader can easily pick up how to read it so you don't lose the reader. And then after that, I give it the nickname that everyone's more comfortable with, which is the PS name, and then we just take it from there. All right. Don't lose your reader. That's the secret for doing it. It will work. I tell you, the person's going to feel really good that they can pronounce that big word, but at the same time, you don't lose them because, they're right there with you. So try that. It'll work.